In today's video, I'm going to teach you adding custom CSS to your Shopify theme. By the end, you'll know how to safely open your theme in the editor, target the right section, add your own CSS, and save your changes with confidence. First, sign into your Shopify admin. From the left sidebar, open Online Store, then choose Themes. This is where all of your themes live. Before you make any edits, create a backup. Find the theme you want to customize, open its Actions menu, and duplicate it. Duplicating is a best practice. If anything goes wrong, you can switch back to the copy without losing your live design. Once the duplicate is ready, open it in the visual editor by selecting Customize or Edit Theme. The theme editor lets you work section by section and see changes as you go. Use the page selector at the top to view the home page, then navigate to the Products area. Locate the product list or grid section. Yours may be labeled something like Browse our latest products. Open that section so you can target styles exactly where they appear. Inside the product list, select one of the product cards to reveal its individual settings. Look for the Custom CSS field within the section or block settings. This is where you can write CSS that applies just to this area, which is ideal when you don't want to affect the entire store. Click into the Custom CSS editor. If you see a starter rule for H2, place your cursor inside it. If not, you can add an H2 selector to style the product titles in this grid. Type your custom declarations. For example, you might adjust color, font weight, letter spacing, or margins. Keep your rules concise and specific so they only affect what you intend. Next, add or select the H3 selector if you need to style a secondary heading, and choose the appropriate value or option shown in the editor. For instance, selecting the first preset if that's what your design calls for. Small incremental changes make it easier to pinpoint what works. When your adjustments look right in the preview, click Save. Give the editor a moment to apply the update, then scan the section again to confirm headings and spacing match your intent. If something doesn't look correct, use Undo or refine your selectors, and save once more. A few quick tips as you wrap up. Custom CSS in a section is scoped, so it won't spill over site-wide. If you need global changes, make them in theme settings or your main style sheet instead. And because you duplicated your theme first, you always have a safe fallback if you need to revert.